I attended a Sewing Quilt Expo last month with the goal of finding one new joyful tool or technique to incorporate into my sewing, and I discovered Purely Gates Embroidery. Patricia Gates and her husband create and digitize beautiful embroidery designs made specifically for use with Mylar. Each design comes with instructions for laying down and removing the Mylar, and the result is absolutely brilliant. It's like using metallic embroidery thread, but without any of the fuss, and using the same thread you already have. If you enjoy machine embroidery, you may just be as excited about Purely Gates as I am. I'll link their website in the description below, and until next time, happy sewing!